It's Muffet snoring.
Michelle, are you warm?
Yes.
I'm warm. I'm wearing a sweater.
Allie's cold. It's cold.
You guys are both
Chilly.
My mom says it's cold. Oh my goodness, Muffet. What?
But mine went up and smacked right on the butt.
That's not for me. It's me and hungry. Shush. You shush.